PPLD is thrilled to announce the grand reopening of the newly renovated Manitou Springs Library at its original historic Carnegie Library location.
So that's amazing. Gosh.
We're back in our own home. Maybe it's like coming back from a long trip. You can't wait to get in your own bed.
Wow, I remember this area. Now look how airy and wonderful it is.
I'm really pleased with the sensitive treatment that the architect came up with, and I think it's a very functional design. We were just inside looking at the new space, so it's going to be a very welcoming and efficient place for a lot of people.
Ooh, look at that! That's amazing!
Very nice.
Very nice.
Good job.
We are very happy to be returning to historic Carnegie Library in Manitou Springs. I know that it's been a dream for many citizens of this amazing town, and finally it's happening. I'm honored and humbled to be part of this great opportunity. That is beautiful.
It is. It's, I think, a very clever design to a beautiful building that fits well into the neighborhood. And it's been a tremendous partnership. Manitou Springs would not have been able to do this without the library district.
Join us as we celebrate this new chapter of the Manitou Springs Library. ADA compliant and equipped with modern amenities, this renovation ensures that PPLD can serve all patrons for generations to come. PPLD staff are busy putting the final touches in place for a week of exciting activities. It all leads up to the grand reopening ribbon cutting on Friday, February 7th. Visit ppld.org for the full schedule. We'll see you there.